How to draw NFTs for free, best way, complete tutorial. Hi there you guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can draw your own NFT for free. And for this tutorial we'll be using the platform called Pixel Art. They have awesome editing tools that you can use in straight online. Don't have to download an application. But yes, if you're using a tablet or an iPad, there's like tons of software or applications you can actually use. We have here 16 best drawing apps that I found. We have Linear Sketch, we have Adobe Illustrator, and we have Procreate. Some of these are like not for free, you guys. Adobe Fresco, Affinity Designer, and stuff like that. Well, you all know that like the first step of creating an NFT is of course start with the art, right? That's why you're here. So yes, if you happen to know about pixelated arts, just like CryptoPunks, that's what we're going to do here. We're gonna make like a pixel art, but of course you can also do other stuff right here. But the main feature that you can actually do here on pixelart.com is work with pixels and box by box and try to fill those boxes with different colors. And it's really up to you to like start from scratch, or you want to start with like something to trace. And the second method is what we're going to do. We're going to trace an image, and it can be any image you want. It can be anything that you're happy with. Personally, I'd go with the easy one for this tutorial. Well, so what I did was I just typed in a Christmas tree cartoon here on Google Images, and then I found all of these trees. Different kinds of trees, but basically I wanted to choose like the easiest one, and of course the image that I think is easier to trace. So the resolution of this is a little high, 1000 by 2000 almost. So what you want to do is to resize this, because once we're gonna import this to this platform, it'll let me show you guys. All right. So we're going to work with pixels, right? New drawing. Okay. I'm going to click this just so you guys see the difference. So I'm going to open the original image that I downloaded. It's this one. Okay. All right. So it's going to look like this. Now you can see, you guys, that there are lots of pixels actually here. Smaller pixels. The smaller the pixel get, actually the harder it gets to trace it. Now if you're okay with this amount of pixels, then it's totally fine. Your image, your drawing will look totally detailed and a lot more HD. But we're going for like a pixelated art here, so I think this is too much pixels to work with, and I don't think it'll go with the vibe that I'm going for. So what we're gonna do is to resize the image. You can go to resizeimage.net, and then from there you can then resize this particular image and make it smaller so that the pixels will be smaller as well. Now let's upload the image. And let's choose whatever photo we downloaded from the internet. And then this option, just leave it as it is. You don't have to change anything there. Also right here. Now you want to untick this box right over here, because you're not looking to keep the aspect ratio. You want to, and then it's up to you to like input here how many, the value that you want, or you can just try to slide off this tool, slider right here, and then it'll automatically give you what you want. So I'm looking for 30 by 30 pixels. So I'm gonna type in 30 by 30. All right, there you go. And now no fill, let's choose that. And then of course we want a PNG output. So let's try and resize the image by clicking this button right here. You click this button, not this. Let's click this. All right, so now the image has been resized, and let's try to view the image first and see if we got it right. Okay, I think the image is a bit small, so let me just change some settings right here. So I want this to be 30 as well. Okay, 30, and then 30%. Yeah, that looks totally fine to me, I guess. 30% or maybe 10%. Or let me go with 8%. Yeah, 8% is as close as it can get. And let's change this to 30 by 30. And then let's resize image again. Okay, let's download this image already. Now that we're done resizing the image, we can just click download image right over here. And there's an ad. Let's close the ad. And then our image is already downloaded. Now that we have resized the image to a workable pixel, let's choose the resized image again by clicking this one right here, open photo. And then we're going to work with this. Okay. All right. So as you can see, it's a lot easier to trace now. There are sets of colors that you can now see. You can see details such as like dark green, light green, normal green. We also see some brown over here, brown, green, and stuff like that. But basically, this is how it's going to look like once you resize it. So now what you want to do is to add in a layer by clicking this button right here. Add layer, layer 1. And now this is the background, right? So what we want to do after we're done tracing it is going to delete the background, just so, yeah, we don't own the image. We don't own the copyright of this image. So selling the NFT with this image as a background isn't going to be nice at all. So here's our first layer. So what you want to do is to just use the pencil tool right here, or brush tool. You can also use the bucket tool. So if you want to do it, okay, there you go. You just painted the whole space if you're going to use the bucket. And you want to use the pencil tool right here, or the brush tool if you want to. The brush tool, I like to use the brush tool with this one because I can work with spaces just like this one. You can actually adjust the brush size by using this slider right here. So as you can see, once I adjust it, it'll go a lot bigger just like that. So I want it to be just right. There you go. So now, I don't think this is going to work because as you can see, the proportions are not really, the proportions are not really equal. So it's just, yeah, as you can see here, it looks like, I don't know, it's not equal by sides. So it's going to be a lot easier if we're going to use the pencil, in my opinion. So let me just undo this and do that. Let's use the pencil right here. And what we're going to do is to just trace all of these pixels on screen. And you can choose the color by clicking this one, the primary color, or you can also do it here. You can actually change the color of the tree if you want to. If you don't want to go with this kind of green, just choose another color of green, and then you can add a lot more elements, like maybe decorate the tree. You can make it like your own until you're happy, you guys. So there are tons of elements you can actually add in. You can add in text. You can lighten and darken the Christmas tree right here. You can use a spray paint tool if you want to. Let's try this if it works. Oh, that's how it works. Because we haven't adjusted this one right here, we can adjust the spray size to like 1, but I think the coverage is, oh, there you go. So if you're looking forward to fill them in a lot faster, you can use the spray paint tool right here. It's going to make it a lot easier for you. So basically that's it, you guys. That's the idea of how you can draw your NFTs for free. Best way, complete tutorial. So you guys, let me know what you think about this video. If you know a lot more platforms that you can use to draw arts like this, let me know down in the comments below. But that's it for this video, you guys. I'll see you again in the next video. Peace out.